Hello again everybody and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Much of the northern and central parts of South Africa remained clear, dry and hot once again for today, but along the east coast cloud cover remains quite thick across the region. There's also been light rain including around Durban for today, and that's kept temperatures fairly low. It's been a particularly cool afternoon with temperatures in the high teens and low 20s. But we're also closely monitoring a developing cut-off low that's currently located out in the Atlantic Ocean. We can see the cloud cover that's busy developing with it just to the east of the system, and we are expecting this low to approach our southern parts as we head into tomorrow, and along with that some wet weather is going to be popping up and developing across those areas as we head into tomorrow afternoon and evening. For tonight, lots of cloud in the far eastern parts of the country, along with light rain from the Eastern Cape coastline into KZN and eventually along the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga, and by early tomorrow morning reaching parts of eastern Limpopo as well. On Friday afternoon, that area becomes somewhat clearer except for parts of the KZN and Eastern Cape coastline, and then a low pressure starts to deepen over the western interior. That's part of the cut-off low that starts to pull in moisture from the south, and that also brings in wet weather towards afternoon and evening for some areas along the south coast and the adjacent interior, and that's going to be increasing in intensity as we head into Saturday. But for the meantime, mostly dry over South Africa, except over those far eastern parts where we've already seen light rain as possible. Overnight, a bit of drizzle for some areas inland as well, including around Pietermaritzburg towards Ulundi, perhaps even Bombela and around the Mkondo region. The wind stream analysis shows that it will be relatively calm overnight, except down towards Cape Town. A southeaster continues to blow, and by tomorrow, as that low deepens over the western interior, strong winds are likely to develop over the northern Cape, as well as once again down in the southwestern coastline. We could have wind speeds averaging at about 50 kilometers per hour around the peninsula, so a bit of a black southeaster in that region, as we're also expecting some rain to develop later on in the day. Minimum temperatures for tomorrow morning, and we see that it's going to be cool over the western and eastern Cape, but a warm night once again for parts of KZN as well as into the Lowveld, indicated by those shades of light green and yellow. Tomorrow afternoon brings another hot day to the Highveld, somewhat warmer into KwaZulu-Natal, but there's a big change for the Northern Cape, a big jump in temperature for these areas, 39 for Uppington, and along with windy weather, we could have high fire danger conditions over that area, 18 for Cape Town and George in the far south. Let's look at your weekend's weather conditions, and Saturday brings wet weather to parts of the eastern and western Cape thanks to the cut-off low moving through that area. There could be a few showers and even small thunderstorms into KwaZulu-Natal. And on Sunday, it's going to be once again hot in the far northern parts, a chance for evening thunder showers around Johannesburg, and a few showers and thunderstorms continuing into KZN. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.